Everybody students, today we let us go to the next lesson and very beautiful and meaningful lesson, that is justice above self. Dear students, justice above self, it means justice is equal to justice, is not equal to none other than. In this lesson is written by Munshi Premchand. The poet says, justice is every human being's or every creature's. Justice should be everyone to follow to us. We are followers to us to path of justice. To path of justice, we have to follow the path of justice, depending upon character, depending upon behavior. Because we must be follow the path of justice. The poet Munshi Premchand, he was the most of the Indian writer and author and poet and a short story writer. He was writing more or many of the short stories and novels. And dozen of the novels, he wrote the dozen of the novels, and more than 250 of the short stories she was right. The Munshi Premchand, it is a pen name of the poet. It is a Munshi Premchand is a pen name of poet. His original name, given the author introductory part in the page number 100. Dhanavant Roy. Dhanavant Roy, his original name, he was originally Dhanavant Roy Srivastava. Dhanavant Roy Srivastava. His original name. The poet name is who is the poet? The poet is Dhanavant Srivastava. Dhanavant Srivastava, his pen name is Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand is his pen name, the poet pen name. Given on the words, century, or pen name. The poet pen name or synonym. He was born in 31 July. He was born in 31 July 1880 in Louis, in Banaras district in Uttar Pradesh, at Louis, in Banaras district, Uttar Pradesh, UP. He was the Munshi Premchand or Dhanavant Roy Srivastava. His original name or poet original name is Dhanavant Roy Srivastava. He was born in 31st July 1880 at Louis, Banaras district in 8th October, 8th October 1936. She was died 8th October 1936 in Varanasi. At Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. As the same district, Banaras district. He was born in 31st July 1880 at Louis. He was born in 31st July 1880 at Louis, Banaras district in Uttar Pradesh. At the same way, as he was died 8th October 1936 at Varanasi in Banaras district, Uttar Pradesh, at the age of 56. At the age of 56, he was died. He was a great author and poet and writer. He was rise against the social evils. He was rise his voice against the social evils, and his writings to recognize. His writings is recognized to awareness of the social evils in the society or Indian society. The social evils are dowry, casteism, caste discrimination, and sex discrimination, and the ladies and boys and girls, ladies and gents, these discriminations, and child marriage, some of the even today, that the biggest social evils is one of the youngster did not lead our old parents. They are sent their old parents or old persons to send the old age homes. This is a social evils, because the poet rise his voice against the social evils, and his writings through the fighting against the social evils in the Indian society. These are almost all writings. These are more than writings to rise against the social evils like casteism, or dowry, or child marriage. These are the social evils. To fight against the social evils. Dear students, look at the author introduction. Given the page number is 100. About the author, Dhanpat Roy Srivastava. His original name is Dhanpat Roy. Already I told, Dhanpat Roy Srivastava is his original name or the poet original name. He was born in 31st July 1880 at Louis, Banaras district, and Banaras district in the Uttar Pradesh. His pen name is Munshi Premchand, as like a Kuvempu. Kuppenalli Puttappana Venkatappa. This is a Kannada pen name. Pen name of Kuvempu. Kuvempu is original. His original name is Kuppenalli Venkatappa Puttappa. Puttappa is a original name of Kuvempu. Kuvempu, it means Kuppenalli. It is a pen name. Kuppenalli Venkatappana Maga Puttappa. Puttappa is the original name of Kuvempu, but we call Kuvempu. Kuvempu. And as like Dara Bendre, Dattatreya Bendre, we call. Dara Bendre is a pen name of Dattatreya. Pen name of Dattatreya. As like Munshi Premchand, Munshi Premchand is a pen name of pseudonym of Dattatreya Rai Srivastava. Dattatreya Danapant Rai Srivastava. His original name is Danapant Rai Srivastava. His second name or pseudonym is Munshi Premchand. He was famous for the Munshi Premchand. He was better known. Danapant Rai Srivastava is better known by his pseudonym. Pseudonym is even the new word. Pseudonym is pen or nickname. Pen name or nickname or special name. Better known by his pseudonym Munshi Premchand was a famous Indian author and poet, and who was also a writer, who ushered into modern Hindi and Urdu literature with his writings. His writing is famous for the Hindi and Urdu calligraphy or Urdu literature. He was more novels and short stories in especially Hindi and Urdu language or Urdu literature. With his writings, the writer is mainly recognized. The poet is mainly recognized for his creations that always contain a social message and raise a voice against the social evils prevailing in Indian society. His aim to write, especially he was right because he was disclined to the social evils in Indian society. He was avoid or decline or destroy the social evils in the Indian society to mainly his work. His work is, or the Munshi Premchand work is main theme is to decline or destroy the social evil in the Indian society. His writings mainly he was recognized. So message to send a social message to fight against the Indians, to fight against the social evils. It means social evils. It means in Kannada meaning social evils in Kannada meaning means ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪಿಡುಗುಗಳು. As like child marriage and child labor and dowry and so on. More than social evils in Indian society, lived in Indian society. But he is a fight against or decline or destroy the we are discussing the poem or look at the lesson, the justice. Look at the page number 90. In the pre-reading task, given the pre-reading task, 1 best. Enhance the following scene. The King Rama's court, sitting are present in that Rama's courts. Who are presents? That presents are Rama, Lakshmana, and Kotis are present in this Rama's courts. The King Rama is present. The King Rama is present in his court with his brother Lakshmana and other Kotis. Other Kotis means who are the present in the courts. It means a presence in the courts. It means a Kotis as ministers and followers and some army. These are the Kotis available in the court. At the same moment, these courts, the King Rama's courts are Rama, Lakshmana, and Kotis are sitting. Those who are sitting in the courts and discussion about some other matters or some other subjects. When at the time or while one servant, entered into his court and saying something. At the same time, when that time, Rama's courts in the presence, Rama and his brother Lakshmana and all of the Kotis in the present of the court. Rama is here. Rama is there in the court. At the same moment, there are discussion, all of the discussion in some another matters. At the same way or the same time, a servant suddenly entered his court and saying something. But unfortunately, he could not say something. Breakdown. Because they were afraid. They sought when the servant looked at the Rama, looked at the Lakshmana and other Kotis, when suddenly he was hesitate. A servant who has something to say. A servant suddenly come into his Rama's court and say something, but break down his voice because the great hero of Lakshmana is present, and some other Kotis in the present is called Rama's course, because he was hesitate to do something, to say something. And that time, suddenly Rama to the servant, say to the servant, speak up. You have nothing to fear. Rama say to the servant, speak up. You have nothing to fear. You have nothing to fear when you speak. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಬೇಡ. Don't be agitated. Don't having a fear, having agitated. But you tell me your mind. Tell me your mind. ನಿನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳು. And suddenly the servant to tell to Rama or say to the Rama, Oh king, I can't. ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, I can't. Not in the presence of revered Lakshmana and the wisest coaches. O king, Maharajani, O king, I can't. Not in the presence revered Lakshmana and wisest course. Given one new verse. River means the respect. River means respect. When that time the servant said to the Rama, O king, I can't. Nannu helike sadhyaniಲ್ಲ. I can't. Not in the presence. Revered Lakshmana and the wisest devotees. When that time Rama replied to the servant, yeah, you have my protection. O servant, you have my protection. Speak your mind. You have, or I will protection for you. Tell me your mind, or tell me your words, or intuition. Rama is saying, you have my protection. It means you will my protection. You will give me my protection. ನಿನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Tell me about it. Or tell me your mind. Servant, Maharaja, when Rama said protection to him, and at the time the servant said to some of intimation or some of information, he was shocked. He was shocked. ಆತ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಾದ. ಮಹಾರಾಜ, or O king, today I saw one washer beating his wife, black and blue. He told her to get out of his house. He told her, get out of his house. She said, he was not Rama. That washerman was not Rama. He was not Rama to accept a wife after she had lived in another custody. Very important sentence. In the last sentence is very important, and all the Buddhists were a surprise. Were a single moment they were silent and thinking. After 1 minute they were righteous. Their voice against the washerman. They were said to Rama, we were punished to washermen. Because he was coming to Mother Sita. Maharaja, today the servant told to Rama, Maharaja, today I saw a washerman. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ವಾಷರ್ಮನ್ನ ಅರಸರನ್ನು ನೋಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ. What he was doing? He was beating his wife. Very cruelly. Black and blue, it means black and blue, it means to punish very cruelly. washerman was to punish his wife to very cruelly, and he was told, he do not stop only beating. He was not only punishing his wife, and some other words, and he said to some other words, talk about Mother Sita. Talk about Mother Sita or comment about the Mother Sita. Say to his wife to do beating black and blue. Black and blue means ಹೊಡಿತಾದನೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆಯಾಗಿ ಆಕೆ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಸುಂಡೆಗಳು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ವಾಸುಂಡೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾದನೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ with he said to her or his wife, I am not a Rama. ಅವನು ರಾಮ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೆ. I am not Rama. He told to her, get black and blue. He told to her to get out her house, to get out his house, and continued to he said he was not Rama. He was not Rama. To accept what? Accept? He accept a wife. He accept a wife after she had lived another's custody. Who she was lived another custody? Whom did he custody? Whom did she was custody? She was lived in custody. Ravana. Whom did? Ravana. Sita was lived the Ravana's custody. After the Rama is accept the wife Sita, accept his wife Sita, because he knew the mother Sita is great lady, because she was accepted. Sita is a great lady because he accepted his wife after she lived in Ravana's custody. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸೀತೆ ಎಂತವಳು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಆತ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಾಷರ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ವಾಷರ್ಮನ್ told to his wife to get out his house. He said he was not Rama to accept a wife after she lived in another's custody. The washerman told the matter, told the washerman informations. Suddenly, all the police were silently, and after some moment, they were raised against the washerman. They should be punished. They told Rama he was punished. He was punished as a person. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಹನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. We must be punished to him. ಆತನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. There is some convention in the court. Convention means a great wise, great nice. Lakshmana told, Lakshmana deserves a lesson for his nonsensical comment about Mother Sita. Lakshmana says, the washerman teach a lesson. Washerman teach a lesson for his nonsensical comments about Mother Sita. We must be punished to him because he was taught to Mother Sita. He was taught to nonsensical. He was nonsensical talk about Mother Sita because we were we were punished to him. ಆತನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Then all of the devotees raised and including raised the voice including Lakshmana. Lakshmana's voice. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣನ voice ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಧ್ವನಿಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, Maharaja, he must be punished. Yes, Maharaja, he must be punished. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. When the time Rama is calm and cool, and he was think Rama, my dear Lakshmana and devotees, the remarks of the washermen will have some implications. ಆ ವಾಷರ್ಮನ್ ಏನು ರಿಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೋ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೋ, ಆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ ರಿಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಷರ್ಮನ್ ಡು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. I know who is now Rama's now about Sita. Who was lady? Who was lady? Or how did Sita? Rama's now, how did the great lady Sita is? How Sita is? Him now, or Rama now, but the other citizens or the others not now about his wife of Sita. What a lady is. Don't they now, or don't they now, because Rama is already decided through her greatness, through what Sita was or what Sita is, to prove herself what she is. I know, and for that matter, everyone knows. I know, and for that matter, everyone knows what a great lady Sita is. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸೀತಾ ಎಂತೋಳು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಡೀ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಸೀತಾ ಈಸ್. But when such remarks are made, the Rajadharma dictates that it is necessary for Sita to prove herself spotless, remarkless, holiness, spotless or holiness. But when such remarks are made, in everyone should be followed. Everyone should as a Sita, as the Rajadharma dictates. Any persons, including the relations of the king, do to follow their remarks to prove spotless, or their herself holiness or spotless, to prove herself. The King Rama said to devotees, Rajadharma dictates and law is dictates, Rajadharma is dictates that it is necessary for Sita, to prove herself spotless or holiness. Spotless, it means a holiness. Dear Lakshmana, Sita has expressed her desire. Sita has expressed her desire to be in the sacred company of sages. Sacred company of sages. Sage means monk. Sacred means sacred. Sacred means the near the God, near the holiness. Expressed her desire to be in the sacred company of sages. I command it. I order to Lakshmana. The Rama ordered to Lakshmana, you to take. Rama ordered to Lakshmana to take Sita, to take Sita to jungle and leave her there sometimes. To live there some for leave her there or forest in sometimes. Bit one bidu. This is has a same way. It means justice is justice. Justice is equal to justice. None other than. It means the Raja Rama is said to devotees and with Lakshmana, Raja Dharma dictates or law dictates. Which person having the remarks or made a remarks, that person should prove themselves their holiness or their spotless. Because Lakshmana, I commanded to you, because Rama is commanded to Lakshmana to take Sita to jungle and live there and live the jungle for some times. It means this extract or free reading this task tells us about justice is equal to justice and none others, not equal to others. Given the lesson, in this lesson, the justice above self, justice is greater than none other. Justice is greater than none other things. Greater than the none other things. None other things is not equal to others. Justice is not equal to, justice is not compared to others. Because justice is above self. Justice is above self. Justice is above self. This is equal to justice, not others. In this lesson, to prove the justice, not consider of the relations or friends or parents is not considered in front of the justice. Is not considered for in front of the justice, because just in front of the justice, all are equal before the law. As a quotation, as my Indian constitution in the beginning or introductory part, given the introductory part, all are equal before the law. In the quotation of the Indian constitution, in the introductory part, given the introductory part, we remember to the great person of the Ambedkar. Ambedkar was already given to some quotation in the introductory part of our constitution. That introductory part is part of quotation, all are equal before the law. Not consider for our relations, our parents, our brothers, our sisters, our friends, our relatives in front of the justice, in front of the law. In this lesson, is come out or prove the justice. in the end. In this lesson, having a five characters. Having a five character. First one is Jumansik. First one is Jumansik. And Algu Chaudhary. Second character is Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary. And Juman's old and Juman's old and. First one is Jumansik. Then one is Algu Chaudhary and Juman's old and Juman's wife, and one is Sanju Sahu, the fifth character. Who was Sanju Sahu? Who was a cart driver? Who was one of the bullock cart driver. He was one of the bullock cart driver. These are fifth character in this lesson. To complete in this lesson or depending upon these five characters or five persons to complete the lesson. In this lesson tells us about the Jumansik and Algu Chaudhary were very good friends and bond of friendship and good relationship, having a good relationship, but unfortunately his friendship was broken. Their friendship in front of they were broken their friendship in the beginning of the lessons. But finally, they were reconstruction. Finally, the end of the lesson, their friendship was reconstruction of the bond of their friendship. Because justice. Look at this lessons, dear students. Look at these lessons. Justice, abortion. Justice is justice. Justice is equal to justice, not none other person. Not at all. How do you equal agoದಿಲ್ಲ? Only justice is equal to justice. Justice abortion is the written by the Munshi Premchand or Dunham or Munshi Premchand is the written by the Munshi Premchand. Part first, in the scene first, it is a as like a play or as like a drama. As like a play or as like a drama. Look at the first scene or first part of in this lesson. Read. Jumansik and Algu Chaudhary were a good friends, so strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, but thereafter the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her and his wife, who argued even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. One day she spoke to Jaman. "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted to your house. Kindly give me monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. Juman Sheikh said to his mom, my wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said to Jaman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry, and she needed to take her case to the village panchayat. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and two others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary. And spoke to him. You know, Chachi, the Algu Chaudhary said to him, and you know to Chachi, Jaman is my best friend. Said to the Algu Chaudhary, Jaman is my best friend. How can I go to against him? Said the Algu. Algu said, but is it right? Old man said to Algu, but is it right? My son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fail. Pleaded the old lady. Come to the village panchayat and speak the truth. Come to the village panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu did not reply because Juman Sheikh is a very great friend to him. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were a bond of friendship or great friendship, both of them. But her words kept ringing his ears. Let us look at the first paragraph. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. The first two characters, both persons, very great friends or bond of friendship. Their friendship very strong and determination. Their friendship, it means Jaman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary's friendship very strong. Not coming to others. These both persons very strong of their friendship in the village or in the relatives. So strong was their bond of friendship. Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh very strong, having a very strong bond of friendship. That when either of them went away from the village, either of them, both of them went away from the village, the other looked, or village people looked after his family. Both were greatly respected. Both it is Jaman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were greatly respected in the village. Jaman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. Those were good friends. In the course of this, the Algu Chaudhary and Jaman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. In this sentence, having a both of nouns, one is actually name is adjective. Then Juman Sheikh and Alur Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh and Alur Chaudhary. This word is a noun. This is a person noun. Nouns. And the friends were a common noun. Common noun. Friends were a common nouns. And one is having which part of is in this word? Dear friends, which part of the is in this word? You see, this word is adjective. Adjective. Adjective it means which word to describe the noun or pronoun is called as adjective. Which word to describe the noun is called as adjective. It describe the pronoun. It is described as like a pronouns. Pronoun ನಾವು describe ಮಾಡೋದು, noun ನಾವು describe ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು ಅದು ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, adjective ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Common noun it means a friends, peoples. These are the common nouns. We refers to common words. We refers to one word with all of the common persons. It's called as the common nouns. Because in this sentence, one common noun and having one adjective. Adjective means good. Who is good? The father, Jaman Sheikh and Alur Chaudhary were good. Both are good and both are intelligent persons and good persons. Because good is describe the qualities which word are the good word. Word is the describe the quality of noun or pronoun. This is a noun, but it's a personal noun. This is a personal noun and this is a common noun. Jaman Sheikh and Alur Chaudhary is a personal noun and the friendship for a common noun. This is a personal noun. This is a common noun. One is adjective. Adjective means already I told. Adjective means which words to describe the qualities of noun or pronoun. ಯಾವ word noun ಅಥವಾ pronoun ನಾಮಪದ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ವನಾಮದ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೆಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? adjective ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗುಣ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. ಕನ್ನಡ meaning it should be named in Kannada or Kannada meaning it means a ಗುಣ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. adjective means a ಗುಣ ವಿಶೇಷಣ. Jaman Sheikh and Alur Chaudhary were good friends, so strong their bond of friendship that when either of them went away, it means Jaman Sheikh or Alur Chaudhary. Either Jaman Sheikh or Alur Chaudhary. Either of them, both of them went away in the village, went away in the street. They were walk on the street in the village. Then the other look at very respectfully with their family. Jaman had, in the second, look at the second paragraph. Jaman had an old hand who had some property. The old hand had some property. This it means a property. Property. She transferred to him. She transferred to him or who? Whom did she transfer to? Her property. She was transferred to her property to the Juman Sheikh. to the Juman Sheikh. She transferred, this it means a property. She transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay, with him. When completing this sentence, she would stay with him and he would look after her. She was confident or confirmed after and look after her or her old age. Look, it means to provide all basic needs. She was confident, or she now all her special needs, all her basic needs provided by her son Arjuman Sheikh. That is a confident. Because she was transferred her property to him. And at the time she would stay. She was where she was staying? She was staying in Juman's house. With him, and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. The arrangement works due to a couple of years or 1 or 2 years. Couple of 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. To couple of 2 years. But thereafter to 2 years. Thereafter to couple of years. That situation should be changed. That situation was changed. The situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relatives. Their old relatives came to his house or came to their house. They were treated to old relatives. They were cared to the old relatives. When at the time the Juman Sheikh and his wife were avoid or neglect or not spend more time with old aunt, because his or her old relatives or Juman Sheikh and Juman Sheikh's old relatives came to his house and lived in some days with the Juman Sheikh. And at the time, Juman Sheikh and his wife were treated to old relatives. They will be very tired because most probably they were neglect or not spend a lot of time with old aunts. Because she was hesitant to them. But their harder situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of old relatives. Juman became as indifferent to her old aunt and as his wife. ವೈಫಿನಿಂದಲೂ ದೂರ ಆದ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದಲೂ ದೂರ ಆದ. Who argued even the little food. Even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limits. or over to control, over to her patience over to control, not control to her, to fight, to raises their voice, raises her voice against Jumanshik's wife. The next part of the in this lesson to continue the next classes.